Hi and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture I'll start right away and create a Python program, a very simple Python program. And my goal here is to show you how a Python program looks like and how to execute one. And of course how to create one. So the idea is that you need an empty file to write your Python program. Give it a name and put the .py extension. So the .py extension is a file extension associated to Python files. So a .py file, in other words, is a Python program. That's it. Now you can edit this file using any program that you like. Later on, after you have got familiar with Python a little bit, I'll show you how you can edit Python files using a very good Python editor. But for now, let's keep things simple and edit our Python file with Notepad. And here is where we enter the Python code. Let's say print first program. So print is a Python keyword, and this is the input that we give to the print keyword, or to the print function if you like. Hit save and close the file. And next what we have to do now is execute the Python program. So we built the program and we have to execute it. Now there are editors where you can execute a Python program from inside the editor. However, a standard way to execute a Python program is by calling Python and then pointing to the Python program. Now how do we call Python, or how do we execute Python? Well, that can be done using the command line or the terminal of your computer, of your operating system. If you are on Windows, to open the command line you can hold the Shift key and then right click with the mouse and then go to open command window here. That's it. That will open your command line in the current working folder, so in the C demo. So now what we want to do is call Python and then point to the file test1.py. That's it. So the computer is using the Python program to execute the test1.py file. Hit enter and you get the output. So we built a program that printed out some text on the screen. Even though we built a simple and very useless Python program, the same works for building advanced and real-world programs. So you put your Python code inside a Python script and then you execute that Python script by calling Python through the command line. Now we used Notepad to write our Python file, which is a very basic tool. If you want to be productive, you may want to use other tools, such as Atom, for example. Atom is the editor that I use to write Python programs. It's a great editor. It has syntax highlighting, it has a file explorer, and it can support multiple tabs here, so you can write multiple programs simultaneously. But let's forget about this for now, because I want to keep things simple so that you understand the concepts better and don't get distracted with productivity tips or what editor to use. So in the next lecture you will learn about the structure of a Python program. In other words, I'll explain to you the main components that make up a Python program. So the main building blocks of a Python program. See you in the next lecture.